Gawel, please start again for 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay, what's more hmm, say about this microbial electronic cell? Hmm, that this is the problem that microbial electronic cell is that they produce up this bacteria up to 0.4 voltage that can be used to splitting this bacteria after feeding. So we can split the compounds that up to zero can be splitted in under potential 0.4. If compounds needs higher energy to be splitted, higher potential voltage, there is this extra charging. This causing the microbial cell are not so green in every compound utilization, unless we find the charging by this microbial electronic cell reactor by wind technology like wind or photovoltaics. There is also use in olive waste in similar case. These microbial electronic cells are similar to dark fermentation, so they they use they use also temperature from 37 to 55 even. There are also same kind, so thermophilic or mesophilic. Mm, we can observe that you see it's producing that the methanogenesis comes to similar process like in case of methane, so carbon dioxide in methane and hydrogen gives methane. In case of anaerobic digestion, we have this similar bacteria we also use, but also transfers uh, this butyric acid. Whereas in case of this OS process, more uses carbon dioxide and hydrogen only in case of microbial electrolysis cell. So, uh, so mm, the drop in voltage in case of methane, we has on 2 voltage. So we had the bigger charge and quite big steering. Because such reactors we have to find because sometimes steering of the material is useful. And in case of microbial electronic cell, in case of shifting for methane process, it requires quite much shifting, so quite much energy. It also use organic acids, but not so strongly like in case of methane production. But mm, this is other concept. In anaerobic digestion, often this hydrogen works as upgrading of methane production, so giving the methane of even 85%, and so is enough to syngases. Such upgraded methane can be used for synthesis in Fischer-Tropsch, which is solve the problems that usual biogas plants has. Because produced methane is can be used somehow after removing the sulfur in the kitchen gas, but in higher amount volumes because lower concentration, but it's too low concentration, too low stream to be used in chemistry, in the chemical industry. And the upgrading of methane by hydrogen is the case. We need to find also method to replace our fuels from syngas in our industries. So Fischer-Tropsch reaction to produce some paints, some plastic even. This is the trouble, and therefore we need to better with different combination to make the replacement of our segment that uses mostly conventional, so fossil fuel, fossil raw material to replace by green processes to keep our life living in proper level after complete depletion of fossil materials. And what I think that's all. Thank you very much.